Hey guys, Sunny here with the XP Realty. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I'm using iPhone. I don't know how to do this on Samsung. I'm not a fan of Android or Samsung phones. But I have a way to, when a new lead comes in, I have a way to pre-fill a sentence or a paragraph. And I can text them right away. And I'll show you how to do that. So on your iPhone, go to your settings. You're going to go to General. You're going to go to Keyboard. And on the top there, it's going to say Text Replacement. Okay. So I've already copied the text that I created in the notes portion of my phone. So you just click on the plus sign on top right. And then I'm going to paste what I have created. And this is the text that's going to go out to any new lead that comes in. That I'm going to send them this text. I don't have to type in the whole sentence. I just need to replace their name. Okay. So the shortcut for this one is going to be new lead text. I'm going to call it NLT. NLT has a new lead text. So I'm going to save this. Okay. And I'm going to show you how this works. So let's say a new lead just came in, and we'll go through with some of this here and see. All right, here's a new lead that just came in. This was yesterday. I've got quite a few different sources, but this one on this side, this was yesterday. So I literally I know her name is Teresa, Teresa. So I hold down the phone number and then just do a message. Okay. And then here, I'm not going to type in the whole message. I'm going to type in that shortcut that I created, which is NLT, new lead text. NLT. And then hit return. And there you go. All your information is filled in. You don't have to type in anything. Only thing you have to do is go up here and change the name to Teresa. Teresa. Okay. And then just do your separation if you need to. Thanks, Sunny EXP Realty, and my license number. And you're done. That's it. Basically, it says, hey, Teresa, my assistant asked me to give you a call. She monitors mine and my wife's homes for sale site with my team. I'm the team lead. And then, of course, your website. Are you looking to buy or sell a house in DFW area? Also, are you a first-time buyer? If so, then I can get you down payment assistance. I can send you a report of homes, what areas, how many bedrooms, pool or no pool, max price, and then your signature. And then hit send. So Teresa will get this message. I'm getting significant amount of responses to text messages over phone calling. She'll either come back and say, we're not ready yet. That's a great conversation starter. They say, we're not ready yet. Yeah, well, you jump directly into, hey, if you're not ready yet, do you have a time frame in mind? Is it 3 months, 6 months, a year? They may say, we're going to wait for about 6 months or whatever. And you want to keep them engaged in the conversation and say, pretty much follow up with that. Hey, are you currently renting? Because the interest rates are really low, and I would love to help to get you into a house instead of you paying for somebody else's house. And then they say, yeah, we're currently renting. We're trying to save up some money. And then, then I'll talk about the down payment assistance program as a first-time buyer, right? It's a bait for them. And then I'd go into credit. If they're interested in a down payment assistance program and they want to know more about it, then I explain a little bit about it and get them connected to my loan officer at Bob Mortgage. And, they're number one for down payment assistance. And so the second thing I asked them is really about their credit. Do you know what your credit score is? It doesn't have to be exact. Do you know just a ballpark figure? They may come back and say, it's around 550. And in that case, I'll propose somebody else that I work with. The guy's name is William. Been working with him for quite some time. He has 100% success ratio for taking anybody that I send him as a credit issue to 620 or more, even if the credit starts at 400 or below. So it's a great way to keep them engaged and show them a plan. Hey, let's get connected with the loan officer. It's not going to cost you anything. Just have a conversation with the loan officer. He'll explain the down payment assistance program to you. And then on a separate note, I'll get you connected with William as well, so he can give you a timeline on how long is it going to take, maybe a month or two, to get you up to 620. And then when you're close to 580, 590, it should only take less than a month to get you to 620. Well, that would be a good time for us to start looking at homes. So there you go, and then you have somebody bagged already, ready to go. So I think that's it for today's nugget. This is all done through the phone. I'll do another video on KB Core on the phone rather than on the computer. So hang tight, guys. Go kill it. Just do it. See you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.